At times, you're gonna have moments where you fall off course. That doesn't mean that you throw the whole entire goal away. What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Mag the Civil. What I would like to do is give you 5 tips that I personally live by to help to keep me on bay and help to keep me consistent with my goal. So tip number 1 is to make sure that I consume a nutritious meal prior to stepping out the house, meaning that my meals are already prepped. I'm eating accordingly to my meals, and if someone wanted to step out with me, or if a friend wanted to step out, I've already consumed a meal that would prevent me from binging if we were to step out for lunch or whatever that may be. Oftentimes that can lead to unplanned cheat meals, and that is not necessary. Tip number 2 would be to keep a nutritious snack with you. That would prevent you from stopping at the store, buying a chocolate chip cookie. Sometimes I can have a really bad sweet tooth, and I love sweets. So what I like to do, I like to keep dates, raisins, almonds. I'm a savory type of person. I love sweet and salty. So therefore, almonds, lightly salted almonds. And those type of snacks help to keep me on base, so I won't go to the store and buy snacks that aren't conducive. Instead of going into a fast food restaurant or going through a drive-through, I'll just reach into my purse and grab my snacks. That way I'm still being consistent with my fitness goal. Tip number 3, drinking room temperature water, preferably with lemon in it, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This helps to flush out any toxins that are in my system, and also it helps to manage weight control. My tip for you, if you're going out or you're stepping out with a friend or a family member or for a special occasion, plan your cheat meal around that time. That way you won't feel as guilty if you did consume a cheat meal. Tip number 5 is don't be so hard on yourself. At times, you're gonna have moments where you fall off course. That doesn't mean that you throw the whole entire goal away. Don't be so hard on yourself. Just pick back up the next day. Just take it a day at a time. And before you know it, the more you keep this in mind that I can do it all over again the next day, you'll be more consistent and it'll make it a lot easier. That doesn't give you the excuse to just binge every single day and just say, oh, I'm gonna start back up the next day. Learn from your mistakes, but don't be so hard on yourself at the same time. All right, you guys, thank you so much for sticking with me. I hope you guys stick to your amazing goals for the new year. Stay blessed and stay safe.
She don't know I got the drop on her like, oh, they don't know I got the drop on them like.